Hello everyone! Welcome to the course English for Gastronomy. I will be guiding you through this journey. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Lilian Molina Jalil. I have a master's degree in marketing and international business, a bachelor's degree in communication science, and I am currently in the process of obtaining a master's degree in education with a focus on technological innovation. I am also a neuro-linguistic programmer, translator, and simultaneous interpreter by the Language Center of the Volkswagen, with experience in both institutions in the area of English, marketing, business, negotiation, international trade, and gastronomy. I have been teaching at Ibero Puebla since 2003, and I am also a collaborator at UPAEP in Delc, in the language building. So why should we learn English for catering, cooking, and reception? Well, as language plays an important role, it is crucial for our institution to equip students with the necessary education. Language, especially in the hospitality industry, should not be taken for granted, since language makes communication effective. Due to the increasing demand from industrialization and globalization and the hospitality and travel industry, the teaching of English for specific purposes has flourished and evolved. Well, since service in this case would involve communication between the host and the guests and your colleagues, which basically is the main business in the hotel and catering profession. Now, foodies have a unique opportunity to turn their passion into a powerful way to learn a new language, because there is no better way to connect with a culture than through its food. Well, maybe except also through its music. But food can be such a powerful teacher. Recipes are a great source of new, useful vocabulary, especially for food, household objects, kitchen verbs, hotel terms, service terms, etc. So, while you are learning a new language, you may also be learning some new skills in the kitchen. And to top it off, you will get a delicious meal at the end of your studying. I'm looking forward to meeting you in class. See you soon!